Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. In this video, you can see how to install .NET Framework in the Windows Server. Okay, how to install .NET Framework in the Windows Server. First, go to your Windows Server. So before going to your Windows Server, what you can see is go to your Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Okay, there go to the settings of this machine. Okay, then go to storage. Make sure you have attached Windows operating system. Okay, Windows operating system, Windows Server operating system here. Okay, so you also can attach the Windows operating system by just clicking here. So we have already discussed in the old videos. Okay, so make sure Windows Server operating system is attached. Okay, then you can click cancel and go to the server. Okay, so any software we can install in the server using server manager. So you can find the server manager here. Okay, just type server manager. You can get the server manager. Okay, just select the server manager and it will be opened. Okay, fine. Right, maximize it. Select this add roles and features and go next, 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 next. Here you can see in the feature section, you can see .NET Framework 3.5, right? So expand this small triangle and select all the applicables. Okay. Sometimes you'll get like this. Just click on add features, non-HTTP activation. And if you want to install only 4.6, of course it was already selected, and 3.5 also we have selected. So now you can see .NET Framework 2.0, 3.5 and 4.6 also will be installed. Okay, automatically those features will be installed once we choose these options. Okay, next, next, next. Don't select anything here. Go to your specify an alternate source path. Select this, and here you have to give your source path. Okay, so where is my source? Actually it is in the D drive. Okay, so D drive colon backslash. See how you can see here sources, yes, x, yes. Okay, in the same way on behalf of this E drive, mention D drive. Why? Because your Windows operating system software is attached as a D drive in the machine. If you want, you can check it before installation itself. Go to this PC and there you can see it is still showing only D drive, right? So what you can do is go to the settings again, go to the storage, select the operating system, select this live CD and click OK. Let's see whether it was detected now or not. Okay, and just refresh it. Okay, it was still not detected. You can see here D drive image will change once it was detected. And let me check again. Settings, storage, and it is in the G old data. Okay, we don't have G drive, right? Okay, done. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that Windows 2016 operating system is attached using this Oracle VirtualBox Manager. If you see in the Oracle VirtualBox Manager settings, there you can see, okay, storage, you can see this is your Windows Server 2016, okay, software, it was attached successfully. And you can see the same thing in the Windows Server C drive also, okay. Windows Server C drive also, you can see the operating system, right? And it was attached in the D drive. Okay, I'm going to give the path here. Under D drive in sources backslash yes x yes folder, your .NET Framework set of files are there. Okay, just click OK and just click install. So in this way you can install the .NET Framework, and you can see here .NET Framework 2.0, 3.0, 3.5 and 4.6 also will be installed. Okay, once the installation is successful. So let me pause this. Once it is successful, I'm going to show you the successful screen. Right. So you can see the installation is succeeded. So in this way, you can install .NET Framework. Okay, 3.6, 4.3.5, 4.6. Okay, in the Windows Server. Okay, you can close the window. Fine. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.